Our next question says that let's construct a triangle whose length of two sides are 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and the measurement of the angle opposite to the side of length 9 centimeter is 105 degree. Okay, just pay attention. Previously opposite angle was 60 degree, here 105 degree is there. Let's write for what length of sides we will not be able to construct two triangles. Now let us understand what this question is trying to tell us. The question is saying that there is a triangle whose one of the side is 6 centimeter, another side is 9 centimeter. Clear? And the angle opposite to the length 9 centimeter is 105. Since it is 105, I think I should have made it as obtuse angle. So no problem, it will be rectified when we will be drawing a triangle. When we will be constructing the triangle should be like this. Okay, it should be an obtuse angle. Here it is 6 centimeter. Okay, let's draw the triangle. So what we are going to do, we will be drawing two sides. One of the length is, that is two lines. One of the length of the side is, according to question is 6 centimeter, and another length of the side according to the question given as is 9 centimeter. Now the angle which we are having is 105 degree. See children, you might be wondering that we can draw 60 degree, 90 degree with a compass. How to draw the 105 degree? 105 degree is nothing but a combination of 90 degree plus, just remember, 15 degree. Okay, so let's start the construction of 105 degree. What we will do, we will draw the base of the angle. Okay, now our next step would be, as usual, taking any radius, keeping the center of the compass at one end. Okay, we will be drawing the arc of any radius. Then next we will be drawing an angle of 60 degree. Okay, the same process as we have done before. Okay, this is an angle of 60 degree which I have made by intersecting the arc, keeping the same radius. Remember, don't move the compass. Okay, it should be the same, the radius should be same. Next, what am I doing is that I am drawing another arc keeping the same radius. This will be 60, another 60. Here it will be how much? 120 degree. So instead of drawing 120 degree, what I am going to do is that I am going to bisect the angles between this 60. Okay, this 60 and this 120 I am going to bisect. Why I am going to bisect? To get the angle of 90 degree. Just see here, I am drawing an angle of 90 degree. Is it clear how I have attained the angle of 90 degree? I have drawn an angle of 60 degree. Again I have marked an arc at 60 degree. Again I have marked an arc forming it as 120 degree. So 120 minus 60 is how much? I am getting it as, I am getting it as how much? I am getting as 60 degree, isn't it? 120 minus 60, I am getting it as 60 degree. Then I am bisecting. Why I am bisecting? Because if I bisect this 60 degree, I am getting the 30 degree. So 60 plus 30 will be my 90 degree. Okay, now you must be wondering, 30 here, 30 here, what's the use? I will be bisecting this portion. Okay, pay attention here. I am just bisecting this portion by keeping the center of the compass here at one end and keeping the another end of the compass at another end. Okay, I have bisected the region of the arc between 90 degree and 120 degree. Clear? So what I am going to do, I am going to bisect this. Clear? So now if you take the compass, the protector, just measure this. It is coming it as around 105. See children, it is coming as 105. Okay, so see, it is very simple how I have made the combination 90 plus 15. Okay, 90 plus 15, 105. So now our problem has got solved. Now in the same way we will be drawing any base, okay, base of any measurement, okay. Then we will be first of all drawing an angle of 105. How am I drawing the angle of 105? I am taking the same arc, okay, the arc which I have used in drawing this 105 degree. Clear? Just pay attention here, all of you. Okay, now next I am going to mark this arc here, okay, the same arc. After that, what am I going to do? I am going to measure this arc and this arc at the point where the line of 105 has intersected. Just see where the line has intersected. This point and this point, okay, not this point, not the second point, okay. So I am going to intersect this one. See here, I am intersecting here. So I am getting as 105. Now what am I going to do? I am going to extend the line like this. Clear? I have extended the line. This angle I am getting as 105 degree. Okay. Now the question is telling me that the 105 degree angle is opposite to the side of 9 centimeter. That means this side should be, I can take as 6 centimeter. Again I am measuring the side as 6 centimeter. Clear? So what am I doing? I am just intersecting the line to get it as 6 centimeter. This side I am getting as 6 centimeter. Again, the side opposite to the 105 should be 9 centimeter. I am measuring it as 9 centimeter. Clear? I am just putting the end of the compass here. I am intersecting it here somewhere. Okay? Just putting the center of my compass here. Just pay attention here. It's not getting focused. After that I am intersecting the base of the triangle here. Okay, so it will exactly come as 9 centimeter this side. Okay, so if I take this point as A, this point as B and this point as C, I am noting it as 9 centimeter. So now I can note down the traces of construction. It should be angle ABC equals to 105 degree. AB is equals to 6 centimeter and AC is equals to 9 centimeter. See here the question has not asked anyway the measurement of third side. So no need to write down. But the question is asking us, let's write for what length of the side we will not be able to construct the two sides. That means here in this case, see the length of AC is 9 and AB is 6. So that is why the construction of the triangle was possible. That means what? Here I can say the triangle is possible when AC is greater than AB and, or I can say AC is somewhere greater than BC. Okay, let's assume. But if AC is less than AB or AC is less than BC, the triangle is not possible. I have drawn the symbol of the triangle like this. You write in full. Okay, triangle. Don't just simply mention this triangle. Okay, I hope the construction is clear to everyone now. Okay, try to do these construction. The full solution I will be sending you in the next class. This is the full solution only. You can understand from the video and then keep on drawing. Okay, but in a full scape image of the solution I will be sending you in the next class. Thank you, children.